If you are considering using FBA, short for Fulfillment by Amazon, this refers to the model in which Amazon manages the entire order fulfillment process on your behalf. In this setup, Amazon stores your inventory, takes care of packaging, labeling, and shipping, and also provides full customer service support. Your main responsibility is to send your products to Amazon's fulfillment centers. Before any products can be shipped to those centers, you are required to create a shipping plan. Within Seller Central, this task is performed through the Send to Amazon shipment creation workflow, which functions in the same way as a shipping plan. A shipping plan informs Amazon about what items you are sending, the quantity of units expected, and the identity of the sender. In order to create this plan, the first step is setting up a product listing. This listing is what shoppers will see on the Amazon website. The process of creating a listing is not always simple. You are required to provide a valid product identifier. This might be a UPC barcode, or if your brand and category are eligible, you may instead request a GTIN exemption. Because many new sellers often find this step confusing, I will explain which barcodes are needed, how many may be required, what terms like UPC, EAN, and FNSKU mean, and where these codes can be purchased. These questions frequently arise, especially for sellers handling single products, multiple variations, or bundled items. In this lesson, I will clear up the details so you can remain compliant and avoid problems later.